Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to use SIM card in a HP laptop. You can use the 4G connection if your SIM card supports that. So at first we'll turn off the Wi-Fi. Now I'm currently connected to Wi-Fi. Let's turn it off. You can see that the cellular is connected, but it shows disconnected. So at first we have to set up APN connection. For that you'll go to network and internet, cellular, advanced option. You can scroll and see that add an APN option. You can provide any name APN. In the APN you have to use the specific APN of the carrier you're using or the SIM card you're using. In my case this is GB internet, GP internet. I'm using Grameenphone SIM card, so I can name it APN GP. Nothing specific, but in the most cases internet will also work. If you provide only internet it will also work, but in my case it is GP internet. Let's save it. Okay. You can see it's blinking, setting up the connection. You can see that it's connected. You can see my Wi-Fi is off, only cellular is on, and my Grameenphone SIM card is connected. Let's see whether the internet is working. I will try the internet speed test. It's loaded. The connection test started. It's 3.9 only, but it works. You can play YouTube video maybe. That's it. Thanks for watching.